Hello everyone, myself Suraj. I am from Equiconsulting Services Private Limited. Today we are presenting laundry management software. Through laundry management software, we can manage our laundry business easily. This software is very easy to use. First of all, here we can see dashboard. Through dashboard, we can manage we can see here pending order, pickup order, processing order, ready to delivery, delivery order, new customer, total franchisee, total delivery boy, and also here we can see overview. After dashboard, we can see here POS. POS is refers for point of sale. When we can click on POS, here we can see many options like a laundry per piece, dry cleaning household, and etc. Here we can see add button. After clicking on add button, we can add new customer like a customer name, phone number, email, address, and here we can save this. Here we generated our invoices and billing. After POS, we can see orders option. After clicking on order option, here we can see order information, customer, order amount tax included, order amount without tax, quality, store commission, tax, etc. And here we can also see add new order. After clicking on add new order, here we can add our new orders and generated our invoices and save and continue also. After order, we can see report option. When we clicking on report, we can see here daily report. Here we can see and manage our daily report like particulars and values. After then, we can see order report. Order report we can manage here like a start date, in date, and status. Like a status we can manage here like a pending, pickup, processing, ready to delivery, delivery, or return. And then we can see here sales report, expenses report, or customer reports also. Here we can download or print report also. Now we can see here expenses option. When we clicking on expenses, here we can see expense list. When we clicking on expense list, here we can see date, amount, towards, tax included, payment mode, created by, and here we can also edited or deleted. Like here we can see a date, expense category, expense amount, payment mode, and etc. And when if we want to add a new expenses, here we can see uh, also a like a date, expense category, expense amount, payment mode, and etc. Then we can see here subscription option. When we clicking on subscription, here we can see plan or user subscription. And after that, we can see here wallet. And now we can see a coupon. When we clicking on coupon, here we can see our coupon or offers like a title, code, start from, end in, minimum, discount, action. Here we can add our new coupon. Here we can set our coupon title, coupon code, coupon type, limit for some user, date, minimum amount, discount, etc. And we can save here. Now we can see branch or a store option. When we can click on branch option, here we can get many options like a store. Here we can add our multiple branches like a store name, contact, address, status, etc. Like if we can click on add new branch, here we can get a store name, phone number, images also, username, password, and also we can set our finance setting like a commission, tax percentage, farm address like a country, state, city, district, zip code, store tax number, address, admin section. Here we can add our multiple store or branches also. Then we can see delivery boy. When we click on delivery boy, here we can manage our delivery boy option like a delivery boy name, contact, address, status. Here we can see add a new delivery boy option. When we clicking on add a new delivery boy, here we can add new delivery boy according to the name of delivery boy, phone number, email, password, address, and store access role. This access is approved or rejected. We can also add here. Then we can see customers option. When we clicking on customers, here we can see customer name, contact, address, status, and those customer product is approved or not. Here we can manage all the status also. When we can add new customer, here we can get a button like add new customer. Here we can see customer name, phone number, email address, and here we can save this. Now we can get product option. When we clicking on products, we can see product list. When we click on product list, here we can see category name, subcategory name, product type, price, status, and if you want to add new product, here we can click and we get category like a laundry per piece, dry cleaning man, dry cleaning household, etc. Add-on. We can also here add-on option like a premium wash, normal iron, steam iron, polish, stretch, stretch, etc. And here we can add a product name and select icon. Here we can submit and add new products also. After then we can get a product category. When we clicking on product category, here we can see image of product, category name, status. Here we can edit or delete this product name, and we can also save our new product category. We can choose our image and category name and save here. Then we can see here product services. When we clicking on product services, here we can see product type like a bio wash, premium wash, dry cleaning wash, and here we can see status like approved or not. And if you want to add some new services, here we can click add new services and add here. After then we can see add-ons option. Here we can add on our new services like a add-on price, status like a stretch, how much prices, a police, and also here add new add-on. After then we can see delivery charges. If when we click on delivery charges, we can see here delivery radius, charges, or action. If we want to add a new delivery charge, here we can fill up delivery radius or charges and then save it. Then we can see here and manage there like a delivery radius and charges. After the delivery charges, we can see inventory option. When we clicking on inventory, here we can see supplier. When we clicking on supplier, here we can see name of supplier, phone number, country, state, city, and action. If we want to add some new supplier, here we can click and we get here add a new supplier according to her name, email, phone number, country, state, city, or address. When we can save, here we can get the new supplier details. After the supplier, we can see here a stock option. When we clicking on a stock option, here we can see or edit stock related things like manage sunlight, SKU, price, quantity, or action. If we want to add a stock, here we can see get option and add our stock like according to name, SKU, price, category, quantity, and unit. After the stock, we can see here a stock return option. Here we can also get a stock return option like a supplier, store, material, quantity, and here we can get add a new return. Here we can also add like according to supplier name, store, material, quantity, and save here. After the stock return, we can see our purchases. Uh, Here we can see and manage our purchase related things like according to supplier name, price, status, action. Here we can also add our new purchases according to the supplier and transaction ID, purchase date, category, material, price, quantity, tax, total amount, and here we can see total amount and submit it. After the purchases, we can get material category. When we clicking on material category, here we can see a name, status, and action. Here we can also add a new category according to material category name and save here. After the material category, we can see material unit. When we clicking on material unit, here we can see status and action, and here we also add our new unit according to material name or active or not. After the material unit, we can see our tools option. When we clicking on tools, here we can see role management. This is all about our software, like whom we want to access or get access, like a role name, admin, store, customer, manager, delivery boy, role account. Here we can add new roles like order, product, category, email. Here we can manage our all access related option. So this is all about our software, laundry management software. Thanks for watching, and